So suppose you have a criteria to delete all the key from the Redis server or monitoring your Redis server. How can you do this job? So for this job, we need to enter the Redis server. So docker exec hyphen it, then copy the name of the this container, then click bin bash. So if you are using git bash, that time you are facing this issue, and now instead of using the git bash, I again move to the PowerShell and again write the docker ps, and now write docker exec hyphen it, then the container name my redis, and in the bin bash slash bin bash. The term, sorry, docker name is some issue. Here. Now you see, previously it shows C user Cephalo. Now you see it's showing the root and the location is data. So that means I am now staying inside the uh, Redis container. If I click the ls, you see not any data is present. If I click the Redis CLI, you see the Redis CLI is open. If I click the monitor, monitor, you see it's showing in the monitor condition. If I uh, again click the Redis key name execute, you see the hit is entered to the container and data is present. In this way you can monitor your system. You see SDLXZ data also present there, and the here you can this way monitor your Redis CLI. So how can you enter there in the container? So if you want to enter any container, you need to use this command docker exec hyphen it, then your container name or container ID, then click the use the bin bash. Okay. So if I click Ctrl C, now I am coming there. If you want to remove all the data from Redis, you can use flush all. So now not any data is present in the Redis. If I click to the Redis cache key button execute, you see cache time expire, because I in my codent I use if no any data is present there, it only print the cache time expire. Okay, so no data is present in the Redis cache. So this way you can execute anything in the you can do anything inside the container. So the command is docker exec hyphen it. Okay, so I think you understand how can you enter inside any docker container. Okay, so if you want to move from the container and again back to your host machine, then click exit and also click exit. Now you see I am moving again my C user Cephalo location. Okay, so now bye.